Welcome. If you've ever found Gmail's suggested emails to reply to a bit distracting, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off these suggestions in the Gmail app so you can take full control of your inbox and respond to emails your way. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change this setting. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon, in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now scroll down through the menu until you see the option labeled Settings. Tap on Settings to open up all the customization options for your Gmail app. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have connected to your Gmail app. Tap on the specific email account where you want to turn off suggested replies. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section called Reply and Follow Up. Tap on this option to see more details. Here you'll notice a checkbox next to Suggest Emails to reply to. By default, this box might be checked, meaning Gmail is actively suggesting emails for you to reply to. To turn off this feature, simply tap the checkbox so it's no longer selected. And that's it. You've successfully turned off suggested emails to reply to in your Gmail app. From now on, Gmail will stop nudging you with those automatic suggestions, letting you decide which emails deserve your attention. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these steps again and re-enable the feature. For now, enjoy a more streamlined and personalized email experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips to make the most out of your favorite apps.